one is this, there's a moment where the market understands that there is a product. What is it that you think the industry needs to do, or for instance, your company is doing to just sustain the momentum? How do you just keep this in the, because life insurance, a pure term, is really the first product you buy before you put your rupee in investments. This is the product to buy. Now, what is it that the industry is doing or you are doing to maintain that momentum of this insight that people have got?
So it has to happen from both sides, demand side as well as supply side. And I'm sure many of my colleagues have done a fantastic job in fixing the supply side. For example, Monica, a couple of decades ago, if one were to buy pure term or term plans, it was nearly impossible. That didn't exist. Since then, we have made huge strides in terms of making these products available at reasonable prices through various channels. We have made sure that there is a lot of buzz around it and we are talking about it. So that's one part. The other one is demand side. And I completely agree with what Vibha was saying. India is a very large country, and that demand actually builds up slowly. And we do this survey. You would have perhaps seen, it's called India Protection Quotient, where we go and speak to many people. And one of the questions that we ask is about ownership of term plans. And you'll be surprised to know that even at the topmost segment, the ownership is quite small. And you're talking then about millions and millions of people in all kind of cities, in all kind of income segments. So this journey about demand generation, understanding is going to take long. And how do you expedite that then? You expedite it by creating awareness. And I'm very happy and proud that for the first time, all the life insurance companies came together to create awareness about life insurance. We had great plans in which we are going to execute. It's a campaign that was quite visible. We have taken a hiatus because of COVID, but we are going to do this multi-year program of creating. But it also happens because of government interventions of government plans, which kind of give a push. That needs to happen on a more sustainable basis, and also in a manner that creates an ecosystem that is a win-win for all parties, the providers as well as the buyers. So those are things that one could think of in terms of creating more and more adoption, more and more penetration of term plans. But this trend is sustainable, it's picking up, and I'm sure it's a step in the right direction.